I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to be spending the day together. I really want to vlog more. I say this all the time and then I never pick up my vlogging camera, but today is a great day to do so because it's a bank holiday Monday. Ryan has gone out for the day, so I'm kind of spending the day on my own with Thor anyway, so why not bring you guys along? I'm planning on doing a lot of reading today. I didn't get any reading done yesterday. I went to the cinema and I popped to Bath and had like a little mooch about, which by the way, actually, hang on. Whilst I was in Bath yesterday, I remember in one of my old videos where I did like a shop with me that I saw in the background that the Works in Bath did like blind date with the books, and the one in my town doesn't, and a few others I've been to, I've never seen them in there. So when I went in there yesterday, I found two and they're all £2.50, so they're part of the like 3 for £6 range. Obviously there is a risk that I have both of these, but I thought I would film a video kind of reading these. Let me know if you guys would like to see that, like a blind date with a book video. I picked two. One is rom-com and astrology and one is romance Groundhog Day. So I'm very excited about that. And they were £2.50 each, so I thought that would be fun for a video. But yes, anyway, in today's video, we're just gonna chill. We're gonna have a day together. I say I'm currently reading. I haven't actually started it yet, but my aim today is to get through a big chunk of Sally Rooney's Normal People, because this is mine and Kelsey's book club pick of the month and I am dreading it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have been dreading reading this book all year. Why I picked this, I don't know. The lack of quotation marks is just gonna annoy me, I can already tell, but I thought I would read this today and we could kind of go through it together. I've just made myself a coffee, so that is fun and will keep me going for a little while, and I'm hoping to pop into town today as well, maybe show you guys kind of what is in the works at the moment, what's in Waterstones at the moment, and just kind of get out of the house for a little bit because I don't really want to spend the entire day inside. So yeah, anyway, that is basically the kind of synopsis of today's vlog. We're just going to be hanging out, doing some reading. I'm hanging out with Thor. That is basically it. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, let's dive into the video. I am going to now sit on the sofa for a little while and read some of my book because, like I said, I haven't started it yet. Turtle burp. I haven't started this yet, so I really want to sort of dive into it, and I really want to start doing more reading vlogs. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on that, but I know that reading vlogs are gonna essentially have to be filmed throughout the week, and obviously I work quite a lot, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. But anyway, I'm gonna dive into reading my book, but before I do, actually, I do just want to sort of touch base on something, and I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions on this sort of situation. So I am contemplating sort of uploading once a week on my channel, which I know that I've uploaded twice a week pretty much consecutively for probably about 2 years, maybe longer. But I'm just finding at the moment that I'm filming videos that I don't particularly love just to get something up on my channel, and then like the editing is very basic and it's very like just a basic video, which I'm not necessarily proud of uploading, if that makes sense. So obviously I'm still going to be uploading my what I read in so-and-so, but I'm also thinking of combining that with my TBR for the next month. So let me know if you guys would like that. What else was I going to say? Obviously my luxury kitchen box, that's obviously going to be a video on itself, but then I still have 2 more videos for the month to sort of think about what I want to do, something different. And then I'm thinking maybe I could upload extra if there was something that I wanted to film and get up sort of ASAP, I could upload it as an extra video. But let me know what you guys think about that, because I'm just finding at the moment that my editing and my videos are just very basic and I really want to improve them. So yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts on that. But anyway, I'm gonna read this, I'm gonna drink that. Let's dive into today's vlog. I'm very excited to spend the day with you, and yeah, I'm gonna go and start reading, so goodbye.
You turned away with a hint of a smile, as if I could read your mind. I wanted to say words I thought for a while, but I couldn't conjure mine. Bleed out the days till I see you one night now.
I'm not gonna lie, I have read a page and I feel like my brain is struggling with the no quotation marks already. Like reading it, I'm having to read certain lines twice because I'm not too sure who said what. This book is going to be painful. I can already tell. I'm going to hate it. So I'm now starting chapter 2, which is like a 3 weeks later sort of timeline, and I have no idea what happened in these pages. I feel like I've read these pages and I'm just sat here like, what did I just read? The whole conversation was very confusing. I don't really know who said what. A new character's been introduced. Do I know who that is? I have no idea where she came from. So yeah, we're gonna dive into chapter 2. I really want to like this book because I've heard some incredible things about it, but I don't know if I like the writing style. I think that's more what's putting me off. So let's keep going and hopefully start to like this book. So it's a little while later, and I say that, but I have only read 6 more pages. I feel like the problem with this book is that it's taking me so long to read, and that is what is going to knock it down in rating for me, because normally I can read about 2 pages a minute. It's taken me about 10 plus minutes to read 6 pages. Like, it's taking me a very long time, and I am going to tell you a few spoilers throughout, but if you don't want to know, I'm going to warn you every time I'm about to say something from the book. So I'm about to say something from the book, but we are only on page 16, so it might not be mega, but this is giving me that the guy main character is very embarrassed to be seen with Marianne, and I don't like that. Like, she basically told him that she likes him, which we're 16 pages in, like, I don't really understand what's gone on there. We didn't really have a lot of building to it. Then the guy character has basically said like, oh, I'm not sure, like, how would we act at school? And she said, oh, no one would have to know. And then he instantly kissed her. Like, you're obviously embarrassed to be seen with her, and I don't like that. Like, I don't like the embarrassment vibe. Like, it's just not a bit of me. But we are going to continue reading. It's currently just gone 11:45. I do want to pop into town today, like I mentioned. So I'm going to read for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to go into town, see what's about in the bookshops. I don't need to buy any more books, but I just want to have a browse. Yeah, I'm going to go and get a coffee and then read some of the book in town. I'm just not looking forward to reading this book, if I'm honest. I don't know what it is. I am just bored. I'm 16 pages in and I'm not gripped. So anyway, I'm gonna keep reading. Wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it today. I'd love to finish this today so I can get it out of the way, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. Okay, so it is about 12:30 and I think I'm going to head into town now quickly. I'm gonna let Thor outside first, although he's just got snuggled up on the sofa, so he's probably going to be really annoyed at me. But yeah, I'm going to let him outside and then I'm going to go into town. I'm probably going to be about half an hour and then I'm going to come back and hang out with Thor for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm going to go into town, have a look in the bookshops, get a coffee, do some more reading in town, just to get a bit more of a different scenery vibe, because I just feel like filming the whole vlog in the flat is going to be probably a little bit boring. So we're going to pop into town and have a little mooch about, and I'm going to try not to buy any books. The key word being try. So let's go into town. And yeah, oh, I don't know if you've seen the flat recently, but this is the kitchen. That's going to be hung up there. But yeah, anyway, right, we're going to go to town. Goodbye. I'm back at the flat now. I popped into town. I walked all the way up to the works to find out that it was closed. quite rude. But anyway, it is Bank Holiday Monday, so I guess that's why it was closed. But I popped into town, went to the works, popped into Waterstones. I even went to WH Smith's and I bought nothing. I feel like that is progress. Anyway, now I'm back home. I'm with Thor. I think I might give him a treat. Would Thor like a treat? Do you fancy a treat? Do you want a treat? Oh, good boy. Off he goes. Oh, so handsome. Sat down. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Does Thor want a treat? Sit. Paw. Other one. Spin. Down. Good boy. Sit up. There you are. Such a cute boy. Okay, so I am now 50 pages in. I feel like I really wanted to have this vlog of me reading the entire book because I feel like it's a nice kind of conclusion at the end of the video. Spoiler alert, we are not going to finish this today because something about this book I just don't like, and I am going to discuss it now. So if you don't want any spoilers for this book, just skip a little bit. I'm not going to talk about it for very long, but essentially we're 50 pages in. The guy in this book is embarrassed and ashamed to be sleeping with this girl, the main girl. You're kind of reading it, it's in like third person, so it's a bit bizarre, but anyway, so he's ashamed of being sort of seen with her, sleeping with her. She is like a very wealthy girl, but she was really, really unpopular at school, so that's why he didn't want anyone to know about it, and his mum was the cleaner for her house. It's all very bizarre. And anyway, so this is all going on, and then he's told her that he loves her, but he still won't tell people that they're going, like, they're sleeping together. I just don't, like, what are you gonna get from being in this sort of relationship? You love her, but you don't want people to know, like, to even speaking, let alone like you're in love with her. It's very bizarre. It is not, I just don't really, I cannot understand this book. It is very confusing, and I'm 50 pages in. There is no plot to this story whatsoever. Like I don't see where this is going. Like I could just skim this whole book and like I don't know what's good. I feel stuck. I feel stuck. I feel confused. I just don't really understand the plot of this book. Like I'm reading the back and people have said like it's effortlessly brilliant by the best young novelist, like it's gonna break your heart and leave you desperate not to turn the final page. Like what do you mean? Because nothing is happening. I don't understand. So yeah, we are gonna continue reading it, obviously. I think Ryan might be on his way home now actually. He went to a car show. I'm gonna continue reading this, and I don't know, I'm not enjoying it, but I just thought I'd give you guys a little bit of an update. And yeah, and do you know what, this, I don't like to be negative because I feel really bad hating on people's books and on people's like work and stuff, but this is the one author now that I just feel like I don't need the other books. Like I am a very obsessive person, as you can tell by all my books in the background. Like I'm a collector. I will, like I've bought so many series without reading the first one, but like I'm not gonna buy the other books because I just don't think I'm gonna like it. But anyway, I'm gonna continue reading now and I will keep you guys updated, but it is not looking good. So let's continue. So it's a little bit later now and I am 70 pages through. I feel like, as I've said a million times, this book is just taking me so long to read. To the point where like I'll read a bit, I'll kind of turn to look at the TV for a second, look back at the page and forget where I was, so I have to start the page all over again. But I'm just gonna make an iced coffee because I just feel like I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast or lunch, but it's like nearing 4 o'clock, so I may as well just wait until dinner. So I'm gonna have an iced coffee just instead of. Thor is currently asleep. There he is. on the floor. I've got Bring It On the TV. I absolutely love the Bring It On films. So I've got the first one on, I'm really enjoying it. And I'm just reading, basically. I'm gonna try my best to get through as much of this book as I possibly can because I am excited to read something else already. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna make a nice coffee and then get back to it. So that is basically the update, is that I'm still reading it and I still don't like it. Everything for today's vlog. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know down below what other book videos do you guys want to see, any reading vlogs, any kind of book shop with me videos. I would love to know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching again. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.